Entrepreneurs, I have a question. What do you do with your money? Now, the reason I ask that question is, as an entrepreneur myself, I've gone through a lot of money. I've gone through a lot of, gone through a lot of cash, and I regret it. Of course, I regret all of it. Um, the one thing that has kept me from wasting money, going through money, has been to put it into a cash flowing asset. I like nice cars and I like nice houses and nothing I'd like more than to have a big new house and a nice expensive car. And I happen to love airplanes. I'd love to have an airplane, but you know what? I have to control those urges, and I have to put that money someplace where it won't disappear when I make it. And that's what happens when you have a successful business, or when you're a high earning person in your job. That money tends to disappear. Your expenses rise to meet your income. Think about that. Your expenses rise to meet your income. It always does. And that's the case with most people. You might be a real estate agent. You might be a content creator, an e-commerce site owner, a membership site owner. You might be a doctor or a chiropractor or a dentist. All of these people are entrepreneurs. You may not think they are, but they are. And a lot of them can be high earning individuals. And a lot of you are multiple six-figure earners in your business or in your job. And yet you don't have any money. It's a common thing. It's a common problem. So I'm not lecturing you on it. I'm just telling you there's a way to change it. This is part of why I'm here, is to tell you that there's a way to change it. I struggle with this myself. A lot, actually, and blown through a lot of money over the last few years. And it would have been better spent going into some property. Now, if you buy cash flowing real estate, I'm sure if you listen to my videos, you've probably heard me say one property can change your life. And that is absolutely true. One property can change your life for the better and can save you financially. And if you invest your money into a cash flowing asset, and it's not always real estate, it could be some other thing. But if you invest in some kind of a cash flowing asset, your money's going to be stored away. It's not in the bank. It's not going to disappear. It's funny how much money can disappear from your bank account when you go in and take out a little bit here and a little bit there and go, oh, I just want this new car. I want a new giant TV for my living room, and, I want to remodel the kitchen, and, we've got 50,000. We can remodel the kitchen, and a bathroom maybe. It's amazing how quick it disappears. If you put it in a property, it doesn't disappear. In fact, it builds, it grows, you get equity, you get appreciation on your property, and somebody's sending you a check every month for rent, and you have cash flow. So what you need here are multiple streams of income, and that's what real estate can give you. Every property you buy is another stream of income, basically. And once you get that first one bought, you'll see what I mean. It's a life changer. It's something that will it'll just change everything for you. Now, think about this. If you're in that situation, if you spend all your money and you make a lot, but you don't have any, what would happen if your income stopped tomorrow? If it all stopped tomorrow, you could go broke really quick, because all of those monthly payments you piled up for the house, car, and the boat, and everything else, the credit card debt, if your income stopped tomorrow, and it could, it's pretty easy. For example, what would happen if, say, you got in a car wreck, or you got sick and you couldn't work anymore and nobody else could do what you do? does your business operate by itself? Hopefully it does, but not everybody's can. And if you are out of the picture for a while, your business could go broke. If showing up for work is how you get paid, you don't show up for work anymore, you're losing money. You have obligations to your family. A lot of you have obligations to other people. You help other people. You donate money. You give your time. You teach people what you know. And you can't give what you don't have. And so when the money goes away, the business goes away, you've got nothing left to give. So think about that. Think about what you do with your money. Just sit down and look at it. What do I do with my money? You'll be amazed at how much of it just thrown away. I know as I've said, I've gone through a lot of it myself, and I'm always just horrified to find out where I've spent it. And a lot of times it's just little things. This is why I teach about investing in real estate, and this is why I advocate for investing in real estate. It's something that can preserve your wealth, save your finances, and it can make you wealthy. So I hope you got some value out of this. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to them. I'll read all those comments and I'm happy to answer questions. I'll even make videos on some of them. If you have a good question that'll make a video, I'll make a video on it. So, put the questions in the comments, and that's about it for this time. I'll see you next time on Real Estate Revenue.